guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to display the puddle lights that I finished up a couple of days ago. So just a disclaimer, I got this idea from a channel called Car Stuff with Nate. He basically did the same thing all around on his 94 Miata. But the general gist is you buy these individual little puddle lights, drill into your skirt, and then wire them up however you want to. I decided to wire mine up to the, I think it's the power socket fuse. So anytime that the car is on, then the lights are on. In the video, he made his own harnesses, added connectors, so everything is essentially plug and play. It's gonna do the same thing on this side. This was my test side. I did this side first, so as you can see, the second light isn't perfect, but I mean, it's already done. So when you look at it from different angles, you really can't tell. So I made my own harnesses, added connectors to them, ran the wires. On the passenger side, I ran it behind the fender, through the grommet, under the little windshield wipers, through the back of the dash, and then on this side I wired it same way behind the fender, but then I went through the door and down, so everything is connected to the fuse box that's right by the clutch down there. And the spot I used is a 15 amp fuse. It says spare on my car, but I've seen others say like power socket or whatever. I didn't shut all the way. I'll give you guys how it looks under the car. So basically you have to make your own brackets, buy the bolts and stuff, and after you drill into it, you just mount the lights that way. It took me a couple of days because this is my first time doing anything like this. So it obviously isn't perfect, like I said, but it does add a little flair to the sport side skirts for you guys that don't want to get the IPLs. In my case, I have the extensions. I had to drill into those too. You will break clips when you pull the skirt off. I know I did, but everything mounted up fine. You can't really tell that I took it off. So this side, like I said, it doesn't look perfectly straight, but it's straight enough. This side looks a little bit better, and I kind of rushed this side, so I don't know what that tells you. I'll link his video, and then I'll add some pictures in here as well. That way, if you guys want to do it, you kind of have an idea for this specific vehicle. So that's that side. This is going to be this side. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions that I haven't already answered in the video, I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible in the comments. But yeah, this is the latest mod. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, guys.